Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something super important to all of us, living our healthiest lives. It can feel overwhelming trying to sort through all the information out there, so we're breaking it down into the top 10 things you can do to feel your best. Stick around to the end for my personal favorite tip. It's a game changer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any future videos. Alright, let's talk about food. We all know we need to eat, but what we eat makes all the difference. Think of your body like a high-performance car. You wouldn't fill it with the wrong kind of fuel, right? Our bodies need the right nutrients to function at their best. That means a balanced diet packed with fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Think color. The more colorful your plate, the more vitamins and minerals you're getting. Try adding in those leafy greens like spinach and kale, bright berries like blueberries and strawberries, and don't forget about those healthy fats from avocados and nuts. This isn't about restriction or dieting, it's about nourishing your body with what it needs to thrive. When you eat real, whole foods, you'll notice a difference in your energy levels, your mood, even your sleep. Trust me, your body will thank you for it. Now I know what you're thinking, Dr. Mike. This all sounds great, but what about pizza? Listen, I'm all about balance. It's okay to indulge once in a while, but make those treats the exception, not the rule. Remember, you only get one body, so let's treat it right. In the next section, we're going to talk about how movement plays a key role in living a healthier life. Let's be real. Sometimes just thinking about exercising can be exhausting. But trust me on this one. Moving your body is one of the best things you can do for your physical and mental health. Exercise doesn't have to be intimidating. You don't need a fancy gym membership or hours to spare. Find something you enjoy doing that gets your heart rate up and makes you sweat a little. Maybe it's dancing, swimming, hiking, or even just taking a brisk walk in the park. Every little bit counts. Exercise helps to strengthen your heart, improve your circulation, boost your mood, and even helps you sleep better. It's like a magic pill without any side effects. Think about incorporating at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Listen to your body and don't overdo it, especially when you're first starting out. The key is consistency. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about progress. Every step you take is a step in the right direction. So get up, get moving, and feel the difference. Now let's move on to another essential element of a healthy lifestyle: staying hydrated. You know that feeling when you're parched, your mouth is dry, and you just can't seem to think straight? That's your body telling you it needs water. Staying properly hydrated is crucial for every single cell in your body to function properly. Think of water as your body's internal cleaning crew. It flushes out toxins, helps transport nutrients, regulates body temperature, and keeps your organs functioning at their best. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Carry a reusable water bottle with you and sip on it throughout the day. You can even add some flavor with slices of lemon, cucumber, or fresh mint leaves. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, and even more serious health problems. So make sure you're drinking enough water, especially during exercise or hot weather. Up next, we'll discuss the importance of prioritizing another often neglected aspect of health: sleep. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to sacrifice sleep. We pull all-nighters, stay up late scrolling through our phones, and then wonder why we feel exhausted all the time. But let me tell you, prioritizing sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity. When you sleep, your body can finally repair and rejuvenate itself. It's like hitting the reset button for your brain and body. Getting enough sleep improves your mood, boosts your immune system, sharpens your focus, and even helps regulate your appetite. Most adults need around 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends, to regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, like taking a warm bath or reading a book, to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool for optimal sleep. And put those phones away at least an hour before bed. The blue light emitted from electronic devices can interfere with your sleep. Remember, prioritizing sleep is prioritizing your health. Now, let's explore the incredible benefits of mindfulness and meditation. In a world filled with constant stimulation and distractions, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and anxious. That's where mindfulness and meditation come in. These practices can help you calm your mind, reduce stress, and improve your overall well-being. Mindfulness is about being present in the moment without judgment. It's about paying attention to your thoughts, feelings, and bodily sensations without getting swept away by them. Meditation is a practice that cultivates mindfulness. It involves focusing your mind on a single point, such as your breath, a mantra, or an image. There are countless ways to practice mindfulness and meditation. You can try guided meditations, breathing exercises, or simply taking a few moments each day to focus on your senses. The benefits of these practices are numerous. They can help reduce stress and anxiety, improve sleep, increase focus and concentration, and even boost your immune system. Incorporating just a few minutes of mindfulness or meditation into your daily routine can make a world of difference in your mental and emotional well-being. Next, we'll delve into the importance of nurturing your social connections. Humans are social creatures. We thrive on connection, interaction, and belonging. Strong social connections are essential for our mental, emotional, and even physical health. Make an effort to nurture your relationships with family and friends. Spend quality time together, engage in meaningful conversations, and support each other through life's ups and downs. If you're feeling lonely or isolated, reach out to others. Join a club, volunteer, or take a class to meet new people who share your interests. Strong social connections can provide a sense of belonging, reduce stress, boost your mood, and even increase your lifespan. Don't underestimate the power of human connection. Now, let's shift gears and talk about the importance of prioritizing your physical health through regular checkups. We take our cars in for regular maintenance, so why not do the same for our bodies? Regular health checkups are crucial for preventing disease, detecting potential problems early on, and staying on top of your overall health. Think of these checkups as an opportunity to partner with your doctor and take an active role in your well-being. Don't wait until you're feeling sick to schedule an appointment. Prevention is always better than cure. During a checkup, your doctor will check your vital signs, ask about your medical history, and perform any necessary screenings or tests. This is also a good time to discuss any health concerns you may have or ask questions about your health. Remember, early detection is key. Many health conditions can be managed or even reversed with early intervention. Don't put your health on hold. Schedule those checkups and take charge of your well-being. Now let's talk about a dietary change that can have a profound impact on your health. Reducing sugar intake. Chapter 8. Break up with sugar, the sweet truth. We all have a sweet tooth, but consuming too much sugar can wreak havoc on your health. From weight gain and inflammation to an increased risk of chronic diseases, sugar is a major culprit in many health problems. Start by becoming aware of how much sugar you're actually consuming. Read food labels carefully, as sugar hides in many processed foods and drinks. Look for hidden sugars like high fructose corn syrup, dextrose, and maltose. Choose whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. Gradually reduce your sugar intake over time. Start by cutting back on sugary drinks, desserts, and processed snacks. Your taste buds will adjust, and you'll be amazed at how much better you feel. Reducing your sugar intake can help you maintain a healthy weight, improve your energy levels, reduce inflammation, and lower your risk of chronic diseases. It's one of the best things you can do for your health. Speaking of maintaining a healthy weight, let's move on to our next tip. Chapter 9. Finding your balanced healthy weight. Maintaining a healthy weight is about so much more than just a number on a scale. It's about feeling your best, having more energy, and reducing your risk of weight-related health problems. Focus on making sustainable lifestyle changes rather than resorting to fad diets or quick fixes. Crash diets don't work and can actually do more harm than good. Combine a balanced diet with regular exercise to achieve and maintain a healthy weight. Listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues and eat mindfully. Remember, everyone's body is different. What works for one person may not work for another. Focus on finding what feels sustainable and healthy for you. Maintaining a healthy weight is a journey, not a destination. Celebrate your progress, be patient with yourself, and don't give up. And finally, let's talk about the power of a positive mindset. Chapter 10. The Power Within. Cultivating a Positive Mindset. This is my favorite tip of all. Your mindset plays a huge role in your overall health and well-being. When you focus on the positive, you're more likely to make healthier choices and cope with stress more effectively. Practice gratitude. Take time each day to appreciate the good things in your life, no matter how small. A grateful heart is a happy heart. Challenge negative thoughts. When you notice negative thoughts creeping in, acknowledge them, challenge their validity, and try to reframe them in a more positive light. Surround yourself with positive people. The people you spend time with can have a big impact on your mindset. Choose to spend time with people who uplift and inspire you. Remember, you have the power to choose your thoughts. Choose positivity, choose optimism, and watch your life transform. Now let's wrap things up. Thanks for sticking with me through these 10 tips for a healthier, happier you. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 of these tips into your daily routine and gradually add more as you go. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. I'm rooting for you on your journey to unlock your best self. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.